Hey there everybody, welcome back to another Noble Courses tutorial, and in today's video we're going to be seeing how to make the player change teams if they touch a part. Let's go ahead and get started. Now the first step that you have to do over here, go to view and make sure that you always have the Explorer and Properties window open. As soon as those are open, let's go back to home and we can add the first team. Go to the very bottom of the Explorer window, there's a Teams folder, click plus, add a team, it should be the first one. Click on team, and then when you have name, change the team to any name for your team that you want. You can have dogs versus cats, teachers versus students, Vikings versus pirates. In my case, I'll have the blue team versus, so I'll add another team, versus the red team. As soon as you rename the teams, you can have as many teams as you want. You can even have 3, 4, 5, it's all up to you. But as soon as you rename them, click on the team and then go to the properties window again, and you have team color. Change it from white to any color that you want. Since I did choose blue, I'm going to choose a blue color. In this case I chose cyan. Do the same for the other team. In my case, I chose really red. There we go. And even if I click play here to test out the game, it's already working. I'm on the blue team, but there's also the red team. There we go. You can have prisoners versus police. This is all up to you. Similar to jailbreak. Now for the spawn locations, click on the spawn location. Go to the very bottom of the properties window, all the way down, where you have neutral, turn it off, and then the team color, I'll start with red. Make sure they match really red. And the red team was really red as well. I'll change the color of this, duplicate it, and then I need one for the blue team. So I'll change the color to blue, go all the way down in the properties window, team color, instead of really red, there's cyan. So if I click play, I should spawn on the right spawn location now. So every time, if I'm on the blue team, I'll spawn on the blue spawn location, but if I'm on the red team, I'll spawn on the red spawn location. There we go. Now, the last thing that we have to do, we need to add the part that if the player wants to change teams, they can do it as well. For this, we'll just need a part. I'll make it a bit taller. I'll change it to neon, and I'll anchor this as well. There we go. Now, all that you have to do over here, click plus, add a script, and in the script, I'll leave everything in the description. But take a look over here. Instead of bright red, my team color is cyan. So I just need to write cyan. Now, don't forget, game designers, most of us are lazy, so let's duplicate this, move it a bit, change its color to red, open up the script, and instead of cyan, we want, let's see, the red team, it's really red. Double click really red. You have to be careful over here. If you write really red like this, it does not work. So what I would suggest you all to do, start writing it and then just double click down here. Double click. Let's click play. So right now I'm in the blue team. If I touch the red one, there we go. And I can switch teams as many times as I want as well. What I want to do as well is if the players touch this, they do get eliminated. So they get eliminated and then they change teams as well. And there's a quick trick that you can do over here. Find a kill brick, add it over there, click OK. Copy the code. And once you copy it, you can delete the kill brick and then paste the code into the part. So now it will eliminate you, but you can also change the teams. So you will spawn on the right spawn location. There you go. And I'm on the red team now. And I spawned on the red spawn location. If I change the themes again, I go on the blue spawn location, I get eliminated, but now I'm in the blue spawn location. That's all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you all for watching.